Welcome to Lily Toys. Guess the animals from their shadows in 3 seconds. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job. It is a rooster. Roosters are colorful and noisy birds that live on farms and wake us up with their crowing in the morning. They have bright feathers, a shiny comb on their head, and a long, curvy tail. Roosters like to strut around and show off for the hens, who are the girl chickens. They say, "cock-a-doodle-doo," to announce the start of a new day. Roosters help take care of the hens and keep them safe. They are like the alarm clocks of the farm, making sure everyone starts their day on time. So, when you hear a rooster crow, you'll know it's time to greet the day with a smile. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job. It is a rabbit. Rabbits are adorable furry creatures that can be found in gardens, fields, and sometimes even as pets in our homes. They have soft, fluffy fur that comes in various colors like brown, white, and gray. Rabbits have long ears that can stand up or flop down, and they use them to listen for sounds and stay alert. These cute animals hop around and have strong hind legs, which help them run and jump quickly. They eat yummy vegetables and hay, and they love to dig burrows to make cozy homes. Baby rabbits are called bunnies, and they are super tiny and cute. So, next time you see a rabbit in your garden, remember how these furry friends bring joy with their bouncy, playful nature. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job. It is a sheep. Sheep are fluffy and cute animals that you might find on a farm. They have soft woolly coats that keep them warm, and we use their wool to make cozy sweaters and blankets. Sheep like to eat grass, and they go, "baa," when they talk to each other. Did you know that baby sheep are called lambs, and they can be really playful? Sheep often stay together in groups, called flocks, and they rely on the shepherd to take care of them. So, the next time you see a fluffy sheep, say hello to this wonderful woolly friend. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job. It is a duck. Ducks are charming water-loving birds that can be found in ponds, rivers, and even on farms. They have waterproof feathers that help them stay dry when they swim. Ducks come in various colors, like yellow, brown, and white, and they have webbed feet that are perfect for paddling in the water. Ducks say, "quack quack," to talk to each other, and they love to waddle on land and float on the water. Baby ducks are called ducklings, and they are fluffy and adorable. Ducks are also known for their love of bread, which makes feeding them a fun activity at the park. So, next time you see a duck at the pond, you'll know all about these delightful feathered friends. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job. It is a turkey. Turkeys are big, funny-looking birds that you might see around Thanksgiving time. They have colorful feathers, including shades of brown, black, and sometimes even blue. Turkeys have a bumpy thing on their neck called a wattle, and they can puff it up or let it hang down. They make a sound that goes, "gobble gobble," and it sounds like they're talking to each other. Turkeys like to strut around, spreading their feathers like they're showing off. While they are famous for being a holiday meal, Turkeys are also interesting birds to learn about with their quirky looks and funny habits. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a pig. Pigs are friendly and pink animals that you might find on a farm. They have a round body, a curly tail, and a cute snout. Pigs love to roll in the mud to stay cool and protect their skin from the sun. They make a sound called oink oink, and can be quite talkative. Pigs are known for being very smart, and some people even keep them as pets. They enjoy eating all kinds of things, especially vegetables and grains. Did you know that pigs are also used to make tasty bacon and ham? So, whether on a farm or in a storybook, pigs are lovable characters with lots of personality. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a cow. Cows are amazing animals that live on farms and provide us with important things like milk and meat. They are big, friendly, and have 4 legs. Cows come in different colors, like brown, black, and even white with black spots. Did you know that cows like to eat grass and hay? They have a special stomach with 4 parts to help them digest their food. Cows also like to hang out with their cow friends in groups called herds. So, the next time you see a cow, remember how special and helpful they are to us. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a horse. Horses are magnificent creatures loved by people all around the world. They are big and strong, with long legs and a flowing mane. Horses come in many colors, like brown, black, white, and even spotted ones. They are known for their ability to run fast and are often used for riding and pulling things like wagons. Horses love to eat hay, grass, and grains, and they make a gentle neigh sound to talk to each other. Taking care of a horse is a big responsibility, and they become best friends with their riders. So, if you ever get to meet a horse, be sure to give them a friendly pat and maybe even go for a ride. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a goat. Goats are lively and friendly animals that live on farms and sometimes in the mountains. They have a funny habit of eating almost anything they find, like grass, leaves, and even tin cans. Goats have special twisted horns on their heads and a beard that hangs down from their chin. They make a sound called baa to talk to each other and to get your attention. Baby goats are called kids, and they love to jump and play around, just like little kids do. Goats are also very helpful because we can use their milk to make tasty cheese and yogurt. So, next time you see a goat, remember how curious and helpful these animals can be. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a bee. Bees are amazing insects that help make our world a better place. They have yellow and black stripes and can fly from flower to flower. Bees are super important because they collect nectar from flowers and turn it into delicious honey. They live in hives with thousands of other bees and work together as a team. Bees also have a special job of pollinating flowers, which means they help plants make more fruits and vegetables for us to eat. So, when you see a bee buzzing around in your garden, remember how these tiny creatures play a big role in helping nature and giving us sweet honey.
Hi friends, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to see more videos. Thanks for watching.